In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Google map to your website using the Weebly editor. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. Once you're in the website editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, scroll through the available elements until you find the map element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements. Drag the map element onto your page where you want the map to appear. Click on the map element to open its settings. Enter the address or location you want to display, and the map will automatically update to that location. You can then adjust options such as the zoom level, map size, alignment, and spacing so the map fits your page layout. Preview the page to make sure the location is displayed correctly and the map looks the way you want. When you're finished, click Publish to save your changes and make the map live on your website. That's how to add a Google map using the Weebly editor. Thanks for watching.